I'll take the curse from you, okay. Luck is 0! No, literally. Luck is 0 today. Okay. I cannot! Natatalo tayo ng bird! Freaking bird. I think I really need a strong plant. Because this guy keeps on dying first. Or I think I need to change formation. Check nga natin mamaya. Okay. See, the target fastest enemy is gonna get the aqua. Yeah, he's gonna get the aqua. Sige, save tayo ng energy. Sige. Bro, the birds, they get me. Kill the birds. The birds. Sorry, I have to go and study. Catch you later. Okay, Panda. Thank you for stopping by in the stream. Oo nga, kailangan ko ng mentor here eh. Tinatama ka daw ni Pumano. Stop. Bye, Panda. Okay, Panda is not for sale. Okay, we have 5. Free energy. Defense or offense. I think he's gonna get the guy. Gonna get the guy. We have bad cards here. Sige, gamble na natin. Yeah, let's gamble it. Hopefully, this will work. Also this. Let's kill the plant. Basta save yung bug cards mo para sa backdoor, no? Oh. Oh. Ay! That's bad. Low streak talaga ako ngayon. This is not a good spot. Hindi ka pa patay! The plant is not dead. Are you kidding me? Not today. Actually, yeah, it's not today. Ay ga, magdi-defense to eh. Fucking kidding me. Ay, sorry. Napamura tuloy. Akin. Sige. Ito na lang. Sige, patay mo na to. Ba naman eh. Iya pa eh. Okay. Ayun. Rakod po ate. Sige. You guys add me in COD. Wait. Ayun na. Plug COD. Okay, this guy is for sure dead. Papatayin na ito. Prioritize. I think we're gonna get killed by the bird. Iba-backdoor tayo ng bird. I think. That's my guess. Let's disable the guy. Sige, let's deal some damage as well. Gamble? Gamble kaya natin to? Oo nga eh. Sus. Sige, let's add some more. Yeah, magba-backdoor yung bird, I'm guessing. Okay, let's disable the guy. Para hindi siya maka-atake. Ang late yata sa akin ng ano. Yeah. See, inano niya nga ako. He attacked me! The bird! Good thing I gambled it all. Are you... Wait. Are you... And why is late to me? Okay, we disabled the guy. Are we gonna get backdoored again? I don't think so. This guy is dead, so let's not gamble some... Yeah, let's just kill the bird. Gamble. Yeah. I think kulang pa siya. Let's add this. For sure. Yeah. Yeah, the aqua is... Oh, he's not dead! Oh! He's not dead! Bro, can't believe he got sponsored, yeah. Again, guys, go follow Limanty and all the socials. Alright, we're for sure dead. This guy is gonna get us. Is the bird gonna get us again? That's the question here. Isip kasi. Okay, let's just save our energy. For now. Actually, let's try this. We cannot afford to lose though. Okay. Let's save. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's play defense. Defense. Let's play defense. Oh, thank you, by the way, Entech, for the follow. Thank you. Okay. Ito, disable, and also... Let's try killing the guy right now. Okay, gambling it all. Hopefully it's for the best. Are we dead? Are we dead? Oh yeah. Wrong move. Okay, we won finally. Let's go. Pog. Is the curse broken? Is the burst... Oh my god. Ang cute may stuff toy ba na ganyan? Nice. One. Oh my god. After quite a while.